How to achieve waterfall jacket. You need three basic measurements: the jacket length, the armhole, and the shoulder measurements. For this tutorial, the jacket length I'll be using is 38, while the cape length is 6 inches. Divide the jacket length into two. So here I make use of 38. When I divide 38 into 2, I'm having 19. Then add the cape length. Add the cape length to the jacket length divided by 2. So I had 6 inches, which was my cape length, to 19 inches. Go ahead and measure whatever you get as your final answer on your fabric. Then cut it out. After cutting it out, then fold it into 4, just the way we fold the normal peplum. Guys, if you find this tutorial helpful, kindly follow my page, share, comment and like, so that other people will benefit from it as well. So after folding it into 4, then place your tape measure at the tip of the fabric. Then measure what you get as your final answer round. So measure it round. I make use of 25 inches here because that was my final answer. Then cut it out. After cutting it out, place your tape measure and measure the cape length. On the cape length, horizontally measure the shoulder measurements divided by 2. Rule it out. Then on the shoulder measurement, measure the armhole. Vertically measure the armhole and mark it out. So after marking it out, then locate the midpoint of the armhole. Rule it out as well. Then after locating the midpoint of the armhole, then place your tape measure at the midpoint of the armhole. Then measure 1 inch to the right and 1 inch to the left. Then go ahead and connect it. Connect it. Then fold it. Fold it and cut it out to achieve the sleeve opening. Then your waterfall jacket is ready. Thank you for watching. Bye.